Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your first SocialPostPress app. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to want to link my Facebook page to the SocialPostPress members area. So over here in the members area I'm going to click on my license, and you'll see here that this is the actual URL where I installed the plugin that I'll be using for this tutorial video. So now what I'll need to do is put in the Facebook page, so just the Facebook page ID that I want to be linked, so that whenever I create my app and I go to post it, I'll be able to post it on the wall of this Facebook page. So to get your Facebook page, over here in Facebook now I've created my own custom Facebook page. So the URL for my page is facebook.com/movietrailersforeveryone. When you first create your page, Facebook's going to assign an ID. So if you want to change that, I'll just show you guys quickly how to do that. You're going to click here on Edit Page, Update Page Info, and you'll see here Page Address. See, so this is already my new page address that I changed. If you still had the Facebook ID, which would probably just be a bunch of numbers, you can click on Edit here, and then you can change it there. So I'm only going to want to use the end here, so just Movie Trailers for Everyone. I'm not going to use the whole URL. So over here, I'm just going to put it in right here and click Add. Alright, perfect. So now you see it over here. Alright, so that's all we got to do for the members area. Back on my WordPress site now where I've installed the plugin, I'm going to click on Add New to create my first app. I'm going to give a name to my app. I'm going to be posting about the new X-Men movie coming up. So I'm just going to call this app X-Men Trailer. Alright, so you'll see step 1 is going to be to put in my Facebook app ID. So I haven't created the app in Facebook yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do so. Alright, so over here in the developer section of Facebook, I'm going to click Create New App. Now this app name doesn't matter. I'm going to call this app SPP Demo Test. So SocialPostPress Demo Test. The reason why I'm not creating it something unique to my X-Men post is because this app that I'm going to create in the developer section of Facebook will be used for every post that I publish with SocialPostPress on my website here. So for every time you install the plugin, you only need one unique app in the developer section. Alright, so it's going to be pretty quick here. In this section you only have to do 3 things. 1, you're going to want to disable sandbox mode right away. You're going to want to enter in your app domain here. So this is going to be the root of where WordPress is installed. Now if you happen to have installed WordPress on a subdomain, again it's going to be the root. So that'll be the case for me. And then you're going to want to click over here, website with Facebook login. And here you have to put in your site URL. Now this is going to be specifically in the directory where you installed WordPress and not the root like over here. So for most people it's going to be the same URL. In my case though, I have it installed in a subdirectory. And that's it. I'm going to click Save Changes. We're ready to go. So the only info I'm going to need here is going to be the app ID. I'm going to put that back over here. And that's it. Everything with the developer section is now done. And this same app ID will be used for every single post that I do within SocialPostPress. Every time I create a new app, I'm going to put in the same app ID right here. Alright, so next thing is going to be the Facebook post icon. Now this will be the icon image that they're going to see before they click through to get to the full post. So since I'm doing an X-Men, I'm going to just grab an X-Men image. Perfect. Alright, now this is going to be the headline that's only going to show up on the post once again before they click on it. Alright, now for my media type, I'm going to be using a YouTube video. So I'm going to go get a YouTube video code. This is the YouTube video I'm going to use. So I'm going to want to get the YouTube code. If I click on Share, you'll see this is actually the section I want to use here, just the end section. I like just using this because I can copy it easier. Copy that. Put it over here. So that's it. So email gate, this is optional. If you put the email gate on, or if you select this, they're going to be asked to opt in before they can view the content. So I'm going to leave it off for now. Now you have the option to use an opt-in form or redirect button. So the difference is that the opt-in form, they're going to basically enter in their name and email, and for the redirect button, there's no opt-in fields. They're just going to basically click to go to an external page. So I'm going to put in my opt-in form code. Now it's very important that this is opt-in form code from your autoresponder without style, so no CSS style tags in there. And this will be the text that's going to be displayed inside the opt-in fields, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Now over here you have a delay that's optional. Now right now it's just set to 0. This delay, what it can be is, let's just say you only want your opt-in fields to pop up after 5, 10, 15 seconds, whatever it is. You can set in a value here in seconds. So I'm going to leave mine blank, so basically once they get to the video, they're going to see the opt-in form right away. The last step is going to be choosing my button. So I'm just going to choose this blue button over here and enter in some custom text. And that's it. So I've created all my fields. I'm going to click submit. Alright, now that the whole app is completed, the last step will be to share it on Facebook. And now here I'm going to see the list of pages. Now this is the step that I did before in the members area where I added that Facebook page. That's the reason why I can now see it over here. So I'm going to select this page, movie trailers for everyone. So I can add some additional text if I want here. I'm just going to leave it like this. I've already put in my headline and my subheadline. I'm going to click share. Perfect. So let's go see how it looks. Alright, so over here, you'll see this is the post that I just made. So when they click the play button, the video pops up here, has the opt-in fields over here with the button. And if I just enter in some info here, so I just got redirected here to Google, and that's because that's what I chose as my thank you page. Now that has to do with my autoresponder code. So whatever you put as the thank you page with your autoresponder code will be the page they'll see after they click the submit button. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll show you guys how to edit your apps. Bye for now.